Hello, welcome to Truth Creative. Today I am going to talk about how to download and unzip your file from Etsy shop, the file that you purchased on my store. So it's really simple. All you have to do is go to Etsy.com, of course, and log into your account. Once logged into your account, all you have to go is over here, see where my pointer is, and you'll see your picture if you have one with a circle, and underneath it says you. You click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Once that drop-down menu appears, you click Purchases and Reviews. Under Purchase and Reviews, you will see all the purchases that you ever made. You're able to review them. You see the title, review them. If it's an instant download, you can download it. All the shop notes from the shop owner will be here as well. And yeah, so if you've downloaded many of the instant downloads in the past, all your files will be here for you to download in the future. So all your recent downloads should be at the top. So I bought this specifically for this tutorial so that I can show you what it would actually look like and how to download your files. So I bought this digital paper pack from Little Llama Shop. Okay, and it comes with two files, all right, an 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12. Now, to download this, all I have to click is download files. It will take me to a page that will list all the downloads in that purchase. The order number, the name of the shop, the picture, and their notes. And then down below, you will see their files, okay? The files that you purchased. Like I purchased 12 by 12 and 8.5 by 11 of these files, and all in blue and green digital paper. So all you do is click the download on the file, and it should download immediately. So as you can tell, it's taken some time, but I already have something in here for you. I have one of my greeting cards and the zip files that I give. Let's get rid of this. And all you have to do is click it. Then click it and you'll see on the top, this is for PC users only, okay? On the top, you'll see Compress Folder Tools Extract, okay? All you do is have to click that and say Extract All, and you can choose Show Extracted Files when complete, and it will pop into another window of all the extracted files. Still in PC, if you don't have that option, you just click it and you right click it and you do extract all, sorry. You don't even have to show me extracted files. Sometimes I don't like that. And you go extract and it will show up right here. And all your extracted files will be in there. Now for a Mac user, it's a bit different. I haven't used a Mac in a little over a year, so I can't remember exactly, but I do remember that it was a lot more simple. And for what I could remember, it was as simple as clicking and dragging. That is it, just clicking and dragging. So let's say, for instance, let's bring out another folder. I have a folder I want to have it in. Let's say I want it in my documents folder. Okay, and you can see all my electronic arts, Sims 4, all this stuff in there. But anyways, all you do is click inside the folder. You haven't even extracted it yet. You highlight everything you want to bring into your documents folder, and you click and drag. It's that simple. I believe that's how the Mac is used. It's really simple to do it in a Mac, more than even in a PC, but either way, it's pretty simple. So that is how you download and extract your files, and I hope this was useful. If you have further questions, please ask me. I am willing to answer any questions that you may have, and I really hope this was helpful. But just know that I'm here for you, and yep, that's it. Have a great day. Toodles!